Deep within the vast Atlantic Ocean lies a place of enduring mystery. We call it the Bermuda Triangle. This area, shaped roughly like a triangle, has captivated our imaginations for decades. It stretches between Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. Sailors and pilots have long whispered tales of strange occurrences within this zone. Some claim compasses spin wildly. Others speak of sudden, thick fogs that appear from nowhere. But the most chilling stories tell of ships and planes vanishing entirely. Are these tales mere superstition? Or is there something more to the legend of the Bermuda Triangle? Could there be natural explanations for these disappearances? Or are we dealing with forces beyond our understanding? Join me as we delve into the depths of this maritime enigma and explore the various theories that attempt to explain its mysteries. The Bermuda Triangle is steeped in stories of unexplained disappearances, each more baffling than the last. This enigmatic region, also known as the Devil's Triangle, has been the subject of countless theories and speculations. One of the most famous incidents involves the USS Cyclops, a massive naval collier that vanished in 1918. Carrying over 300 men and a full load of manganese ore, the Cyclops was sailing from Barbados to Norfolk, Virginia. The ship was a crucial part of the U.S. Navy's logistical operations during World War I. It was never seen again. The disappearance of such a large vessel without a trace has puzzled experts for over a century. No distress signals were received, and despite extensive searches, no wreckage was ever found. Theories range from enemy action to rogue waves, but none have been proven. The Cyclops remains the single largest loss of life in the history of the U.S. Navy not directly attributed to combat. The mystery of its disappearance continues to intrigue and haunt maritime historians. Another chilling tale is that of Flight 19. In December 1945, 5 Navy Avenger torpedo bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a routine training mission. The mission was supposed to be straightforward, a simple navigation exercise. The experienced pilots, led by Lieutenant Charles Taylor, were scheduled to fly east for 160 miles, then north for 40 miles, and finally straight back to base. The weather was clear and the planes were in good condition. But something went terribly wrong. The flight plan, which should have been routine, turned into a nightmare. Radio transmissions from the flight grew increasingly confused, with Taylor reporting disorientation and malfunctioning instruments. Then silence. The last message received was a chilling plea for help. All 5 aircraft, along with their 14 crewmen, vanished without a trace. The disappearance of Flight 19 has been one of the most enduring mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. A search and rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared, adding to the mystery. The rescue plane, a PBM Mariner, was carrying 13 men, making the total loss of life 27. These are just 2 of the many unsettling incidents that have fueled the legend of the Bermuda Triangle. Over the years, numerous ships and aircraft have met similar fates, vanishing without a trace. The unexplained nature of these disappearances, coupled with the lack of concrete evidence, has left many wondering if something sinister lurks beneath the waves. Some speculate about magnetic anomalies, while others suggest extraterrestrial involvement. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a source of fascination and fear, a place where the known laws of nature seem to be suspended. As long as these mysteries remain unsolved, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle will endure, captivating the imaginations of those who dare to explore its depths. While the mysterious disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle defy easy explanation, scientists and maritime experts have proposed several natural phenomena that could be at play. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, has long been a subject of intrigue and speculation. Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this region has been the site of numerous unexplained vanishings of ships and aircraft over the years. One of the most plausible explanations lies in the region's unpredictable weather patterns. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for its sudden and severe weather changes, which can catch even the most experienced sailors and pilots off guard. The Bermuda Triangle is located in an area prone to sudden, violent storms, including powerful hurricanes. These storms can develop rapidly, with little warning, and bring with them intense winds, torrential rains, and lightning. These storms can whip up massive waves, capable of capsizing even large ships, especially if caught off guard. The sheer force of these waves can be devastating, and in the chaos of a storm, a ship can be overwhelmed in moments. Another natural phenomenon that could explain some disappearances is the presence of rogue waves. These waves are not just large, they are extraordinarily powerful and can appear seemingly out of nowhere. These monstrous walls of water, sometimes reaching heights of over 100 feet, can appear without warning, even in relatively calm seas. The unpredictability and sheer size of rogue waves make them a formidable threat to any vessel. A ship encountering a rogue wave would be at its mercy, potentially sinking in a matter of minutes, leaving little or no trace. The suddenness of such an event means that there is often no time to send a distress signal, adding to the mystery of these disappearances. Furthermore, some researchers point to the presence of large methane hydrate deposits on the seabed in the Bermuda Triangle. These deposits are essentially methane gas trapped in a solid state within a lattice of water molecules. Methane hydrate is a solid form of methane trapped within a lattice of water molecules. When these deposits destabilize, they can release large amounts of methane gas into the water. If these deposits were to suddenly release large amounts of methane gas, it could create areas of significantly reduced buoyancy, causing ships to sink rapidly. The sudden release of gas would reduce the water's density, making it unable to support the weight of a ship. The released methane could also ignite, potentially explaining reports of explosions or flames seen in the area. This ignition could be triggered by a spark from a ship's engine, or even lightning during a storm, leading to catastrophic results. Section 4. Strange forces at play from Atlantis to alien abductions. Beyond the realm of natural explanations, a host of more unconventional theories attempt to unravel the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle. Some speculate that the triangle's mysteries are linked to the lost city of Atlantis, an advanced civilization said to have possessed powerful technology before sinking beneath the waves. Proponents of this theory believe that remnants of Atlantean technology, perhaps powerful energy crystals, could be interfering with ships and planes, causing them to malfunction and disappear. Others delve into the realm of the paranormal, suggesting that the Bermuda Triangle is a portal to another dimension or a hotbed of extraterrestrial activity. Could alien spacecraft be responsible for abducting unsuspecting travelers, whisking them away to unknown corners of the universe? While intriguing, these theories remain purely speculative, lacking any concrete evidence to support them. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, these more outlandish theories continue to captivate the public imagination. Perhaps it's the very human need to find explanations for the unexplainable, or maybe there's a part of us that enjoys a good mystery, a story that challenges our understanding of the world around us. Section 5. Science steps in. Experts investigate the triangle. With so many theories circulating, scientists and maritime experts have conducted numerous studies to investigate the Bermuda Triangle and its alleged mysteries. These experts have dedicated countless hours to understanding the phenomena reported in this enigmatic region. Their goal is to separate fact from fiction and provide a clearer picture of what really happens in the Bermuda Triangle. Organizations like the U.S. Coast Guard and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, have collected data and analyzed historical records in an effort to shed light on the truth behind the legend. These organizations have access to vast amounts of information, including weather patterns, ship logs, and satellite data, which they meticulously examine to uncover any patterns or anomalies. One of the most comprehensive studies was conducted by Lloyd's of London, the world's leading insurance market. Their involvement underscores the seriousness with which the scientific community approaches the Bermuda Triangle. Lloyd's of London has a vested interest in understanding maritime risks, making their findings particularly significant. Their research found no evidence to suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is any more dangerous than any other heavily trafficked shipping lane. This conclusion was reached after extensive analysis of shipping records, insurance claims, and accident reports. The data did not support the idea of an unusually high number of disappearances or accidents in the area. In fact, their data showed that the number of disappearances in the area is not statistically significant when compared to other parts of the ocean with similar traffic density. This finding is crucial as it challenges the perception of the Bermuda Triangle as a uniquely perilous region. By comparing it to other busy maritime routes, researchers can contextualize the risks and better understand the factors at play. Furthermore, the U.S. Coast Guard has repeatedly stated that they do not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a geographically defined area of specific hazard to ships or aircraft. Their stance is based on years of search and rescue operations, as well as their comprehensive understanding of maritime safety. They emphasize that the incidents in the Bermuda Triangle are not unique and can be explained by common maritime challenges. They attribute the majority of incidents within the triangle to a combination of natural factors, such as weather, human error, and the Gulf Stream, a powerful current that can influence navigation and quickly sweep debris away from a disaster site. These natural elements are well documented and understood by maritime professionals, further demystifying the Bermuda Triangle. By considering these factors, experts can provide more accurate explanations for the events that occur in this region, moving away from sensationalist theories and towards scientific understanding.